Good morning. We are checking out and we are heading to Taupō. Today is Mr. G's birthday, so happy birthday, babe. He's still quite young. Not quite a spring chicken.
It's at the 50.
Yeah, so it says from Cambridge to Taupō, it's about an hour and a half-ish, give or take. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stop in at Mind Junction. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have it on the Google Maps. To Mind Junction Activity Park. This has like a Lego exhibition, I would say, is what I want to call it. It's also got like a 3D maze and a pilot simulator, which we don't know if either of us are going to do because we probably both get motion sickness from it.
Yeah.
And I think they have animals as well, but we'll see. So we'll see you there. Alright, we have made it to Mind Junction Activity Park. It's not too busy, there's a couple cars here. The way we came, it's literally the driveway before you get to the intersection.
Yeah.
GPS took us a weird way, I think. I don't know if it was the right way to go, but we went down lots of windy roads.
Yeah.
When I feel like we could have just stayed on State Highway 1. Anyway. We're here now. Time to see if this is a fun place for two adults with no children.
Yeah.
Or if this is a place for families with young children.
Yeah.
So we'll find out soon. We'll see you guys inside. It's alright. And you go into the volcano. Alright, we are going to do the maze first.
Yep.
It is hot.
We got a couple of cover parts. So
Let's go into the labyrinth.
let's follow Monica for 5 minutes and see what happens. Wait, we play mini golf.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, now cool. So, do your playing. We're going the wrong way already.
We're going to do 2 lots of mini golf. Okay. Left or straight? Left or right?
I reckon this is a dead end. Alright.
No?
Up to you.
Where does it go?
Are you just supposed to get to the middle or?
I have no idea where you're supposed to. I think you're supposed to get out.
long, huh? Just looks like it open. I'll come back. There.
This isn't a dead end.
Huh?
Oh, it's a dead end. You died. Are you alright? Oh, I went the other way.
That's a dead end.
It is a dead end.
Should quick look at the end of that. Have a quick look. Oh, we've made it to
One of the hut thingies. Okay.
So that's the exit over there. Yeah.
Nice.
So we're going to make it to that one. Or
I don't know.
we're going to make it the... I'm not sure what that is. To all that have come before me.
We made all 4 pillars. I've seen 2 animals. I saw a fish and I can't remember what the other one was. Apparently
Yeah,
we
there
went to
was
look
some-
for the fish or the
There's some
animals.
questions and fish and yeah.
We didn't get that. We just came in.
I think this one's the easiest one to get to. Because I just went to the exit again. And then I came back to you.
I think actually that one was the easiest because we head straight there. we got straight there. This one, we went in circles a
I
bit.
think maybe it makes you go one way, so you've got to kind of. But I mean, you can't just.
Okay, we're going to find our way out, and then we're probably going to go Discovery Centre to cool down for a bit.
Yep.
And then mini golf.
And then destroy Monica.
Cool.
The mini golf. That's fine.
Cool.
Nearly there.
Yay, found the exit.
These are like chalkboard or something. Chalk. And it took me 37 days. And I got it.
We did it.
It's got you. I'm
Okay.
going to get lost again.
Oh, it's,
There's a spider behind you.
I know, it's scary. Where are you? You have to lead the way because I'm scared of the dark.
I can't see nothing. What now?
What is it?
Wait. What the A?
What the A? Oh my god. Okay.
What the A is in my mouth. This way.
Okay. It is dark and I can't see. And did I ever tell you guys that I'm scared of the dark?
Wait.
There's a door. Okay, so we're in a cave. Oh my gosh.
Okay. What's this way?
Okay. Oh my god.
Hello.
I am not digging this at all. This is not fun.
Ooh.
This is
Goes on forever, babe.
definitely not fun. Okay. I did not like that part. So just bear in mind that that is dark. There must be another way to get through for people who don't like the dark, hopefully. But anyway, we've made it into the Discovery Centre. If you don't like the dark, don't go that way.
Yeah. That's cool. It's cool. 3D hologram pictures.
Oh,
Oh, look at this one. Looks from right out here. Can you see that? Oh, and that one does too.
it's cool. What's this big one? That's a dragon.
It's a non-feeling.
Sword. Oh. Yeah, yeah. That's fine. Yes, fire. What's this last one?
How much energy is in there?
Oh, yeah. So you're trying to get to the top. You did it. Oh my gosh.
Only once. That was bad. Gee, I don't want to go back there. So my eyes play upside. To the back side. That's the back side. I have no idea what's the back side. I didn't come on. Oh, it's that room.
That's not that. Okay. Nice. Okay. So I'm guessing this is probably an alternative way if you were scared of the dark. Oh,
I knew that. Oh.
Okay, it's mini golf time. Grab a putt. Whoa. We start out by the elephant. Oh, here's the flight simulator. Yep.
You got my ball over?
Yep. Please, no climbing. You first. I'm just going to put the camera down. Yep. It just jumped up. Ooh. Two.
My scores are probably not going to be very good because I'm only using one hand. To infinity and oh, look at that perfect one, hole in one. Hole in 101.
Wait, it's going.
Oh, please. Ah,
Interesting.
you can go now. Coming back.
Ooh. Ooh.
Tie up. The tie. I'm gonna do it again.
Go, take your third shot. Okay, that's three.
Not very happy.
Two. Okay. Nope, just leave it.
I don't know if I can because the sun's in my eyes. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more slow. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, it's real slopey. Okay. Says I'm allowed one ball thing.
Yeah.
Back down.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the one.
Really? I've had 1, 2,
This is 5.
4, 5.
I think this is the 5th.
I think once you hit 6, you give up.
It's going to come here, babe. They all come to here. So I think from there, we're going to put it over here somewhere. Okay? Because it's a curve. I'm not going to get it in. Oh, yeah. Okay, so 6.
That's going.
Oh no. I might try for a 7. Wherever it stops, babe, up there. Yes. Oh, that is no. So this is. I'll get this in 2.
Nice one.
Way better than. Oh, I could have sworn it was going to come back. Oh, here's a little bit of breeze. No, it's not counted. I'll give you. You give me mine off back, and I'll give you your one off. Okay.
The fuck?
One. It's gonna go. It's gonna keep going. Come on, keep going. What?
It's rigged.
So people have to go like this because.
Just show everyone your butt.
In the hole. Oh, faith. You see that?
Yep. I see it.
Come on.
Enjoy my.
Do it again.
No, it's going.
I don't want to do this. It's one of those you gotta. It's 3/8.
Yes.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Do it again.
No, stop telling me to do it again. Just play.
No. I'm gonna whack it a little bit harder this time. You might get it in before me, babe.
You have to stop at 6. I don't know how many we're on.
This is our 5th. I had to hit it harder. Oh.
Nice. So that was in 6.
Yeah. So, wait. Nope. So 6.
I like it. This is our accommodation. So it's got a little kitchenette. And that noise you can hear is us filling up the thermal coal, or you can already feel the heat. So it's got that yellow colour because that's the minerals in the thermal water. And then here is the shower and toilet. And then, oh, it's warm in there. We come out here, we got a single bed, a double bed, nice little table, and then check this out. How beautiful is that view? It's so nice. And then if we go outside, you'll see Mr. G sitting in the shade. Hey, babe.
Hello. This is where I stay.
Yeah, look at this. It's like so beautiful. And then that's what it looks like. It's so hot. It's so hot here. There's actually a nice breeze when you sit under the umbrella. Oh yeah, so there's the breeze. So nice. And it's such a good view. Man, it's hot. He's got back inside. So yeah, this is where we're staying. The Chelmswood Motel. The check-in was really easy. You get a park right outside your door. And we are lucky we got lake view. So, yay for us. Nah, it's hot. Let the air in.
Going another Hobbiton and going on an
Quick,
adventure.
we're gonna push him down. So he roly-polies down the hill. Dung 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 dung.
This is a decent size for kids.
Yeah.
Like seriously, just say, don't need a fence, just smack.
It's nice. I mean, look at all this grass.
It's huge. I mean, even I think the ball right here. Oh, yeah.
We got Popeyes. This is our first time having Popeyes in New Zealand. The last time we had it was
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Yeah.
And Hollywood.
Okay, so we've got mac and cheese,
Let's eat them from there.
Cajun gravy.
100%.
You guys see the mac and cheese, chips, Cajun chips. I got 2 pieces of spicy chicken. So there are those. Quite cute. And then, all right, let's dig in. Oh, and I got a Biscoff milkshake. Okay. Cheers. 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 Whoa, that's good. That is sweet. Yum.
I'm gonna have. Damn. Okay. Guess I'm having that.
Chip.
It's huge.
Try the gravy.
It's hot. Did you get? You did get chicken over.
Okay. Chips are good. Gravy's good. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is alright.
It's got good taste, but it's not very crispy with that. I mean, this is.
So it's not crispy like in America. When we got Popeyes
This
in
part's
America,
kind of crispy. There's nothing to it. You know what I mean?
when we got Popeyes in America, we put the chicken, the leftover chicken we had, in the fridge because we had nowhere else to put it. And then the next day when I ate it, it was still crunchy.
It is a bit juicy though.
Okay, so here's my, I got hot and spicy. Okay, let's see.
It does have flavour.
Cheers.
It'll be interesting to see what it looks like tomorrow.
It does have flavour. Ooh. That had a kick to it. Dunking in my gravy. Okay. And some of your ranch.
Can't remember why I got that.
Just so you could have sauce. That's a good ranch. Okay. We have to try the one in the hut.
Oh yeah.
Hot. Yum. I like it. It's not as good as in America, but it's still decent.
Flavors, the flavors definitely better than KFC though. And KFC half the time has no flavour.
And this chicken is very moist. I don't care too much about the mac and cheese, to be honest. It's fine.
No. Looks very dry.
It's very plain. I'm digging this ranch though.
I should have said I'm officially 30 plus.
Try a biscuit. You want half my biscuit?
Yep. Some of it's bullshit. Oh, they gave us no
No, you're supposed to grab it yourself. I didn't grab it. Dunk it in the gravy.
in the gravy.
In the gravy. It's got a sweetness to it. Not bad. They're tiny though. The bottom's nice and crispy.
Yeah, right. There's a smell that I can't identify.
In the biscuit.
Yeah.
Honey? Maple syrup?
That sauce has got a... What is that?
Which one? That's the Cajun gravy.
Oh, okay. That's...
What would you rate this out of 10?
Service? 10. The chicken... I must say maybe a 7. The chips are okay.
I like the chips. Sorry. I would give the chicken an 8. The flavour is there. I think I just would like it to be crunchy. The chips are good. I like the chips. They got flavour. Mac and cheese is probably like a 5.
Biscuit, it's good.
I like the
Chips
biscuits.
are alright. Their gravy's... It's got a nice little thing to it. Little hum or something. Yeah, I'd probably say...
Overall, I'd say maybe an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd probably go with that. And the guy was so fast, and he goes, "Oh, sorry about the wait." And we're like,
we didn't even wait long.
It was like a minute.
Want to try some of my milkshake?
I'm gonna drink half. It's an 8.
It's good, eh? It's nice.
A bit too much milkshake for me, but overall taste is quite nice.
It's very sweet. Okay.
I like chicken, but maybe I'm just not in the mood for chips.
Sweet. Won't finish our dinner. But
I'd say give it a try.
yeah, I definitely want to try the one in the hut. See if it's as good.
Yeah.
Because I've heard mixed reviews about the one in the hut. Some say it's good, some say it lacks flavour.
Yeah, some say it has no flavour.
But Taupō's one is pretty decent. Yeah, I think it's good. I'd get it again.
Even the chicken without the skin's got some flavour to it.
And it's real juicy.
Yeah, it's not dry at all.
I had a chicken breast and it was juicy. You get a chicken breast from KFC and it's always dry.
Yeah.
And sometimes
KFC
there's
is
no
just-
flavour. Right, we're going to finish this up. Going home tomorrow.
Morning.
Yep.
It's been a long trip. Well,
It has.
short but long.
Because we've done heaps. We've done so much walking. Okay, bye.